العليلة أنه ماله جنة.
Assalamu Alaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha, but if you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by, thank you for staying with me. In my last vlog, I mentioned that I will be showing you guys how to make this, and here is the recipe of our gold dust incense. This is a sandalwood based incense and it smells so good. So firstly, you need sandalwood powder. You can use any type of sandalwood powder you have, then you go in with your frankincense. Make sure you grind your frankincense into fine powder, and then we will be adding our onicha. This is my onicha powder, and then this is another onicha powder. All this I processed myself, and then you will be adding our musk crystals. And after adding moss crystals, you want to add like a lot of moss crystals in this recipe because it will make the charota stand out. It will make this incense smell so good. And guys, this is the most simplest incense. This is the type of incense that you don't need to fry, you don't need to cook. Basically, even a 5-year-old can make this incense. This is super super simple. Then you will be adding your sandal humra, and you don't need a lot of this sandal humra, and this sandal humra too is not compulsory. If you do not have sandal humra, you can just add you the cologne of your choice. If you do not have you the cologne, you can add perfume, that's you the perfume, and yeah, you can continue. Then mix this. After adding all this, I make sure that I mixed everything together. You want to mix this before adding your oils. Then I added my oil perfume, so I'm going for a very sweet, calm scent, and not too, I don't want something that is shouty because this is golden sand incense. This is something soft, and as the name implies, golden sand, like it's just yeah, everything is just simple, uniform, everything is just simple, smooth. You guys get me. So that's why we added this calm oils. And then you want to add a lot of oils, like you want to add a lot of oil in this incense because of the lack of sugar in this incense, or lack of like caramel. Then when you notice that the incense is very dry, you can go ahead and add your cologne or your perfume, then go in with the oil. So I used a pack of sandalwood powder, quarter musk crystals, quarter frankincense, quarter onicha, for the that's quarter cups. So and then I use oils in 300 mils of oils, then 100 ml of onicha. After that, you're going to give this a very good mix, and this is what it will be looking like after mixing all these ingredients together. This charota smells so good. This is the most simplest charota you can find anywhere. This is the most simplest recipe online, and I hope you guys give this recipe a try. And if you haven't subscribed up to this point, make sure you do subscribe to my channel, please. And so after making the water, I decided to try it. I was so eager to try it because it smells so good after making it. So I wanted to try this water to see what it smells like, perceive the scent, and know what it smells like before this hits the market. So I placed my mica sheet on a very hot coal, and I'm using this my cake spoon to pick the water, to fetch some of the water. Then you're going to like place the water on the mica sheet, and it smells so good, mashallah. This water was giving, everything was just smelling so good. Oh my god, and it lasts so long in the room, like it lasts so long. So if you do not want to make like the calming um golden sand, you can add a little bit of wood oils. But if you guys notice, I add oils like um Yusra, and I add oils like soft pink, pink chiffon, all those kind of soft oils are the kind of oils that you use in making the shawarma. Then I said, let me just burn this my ajiba oil because it will smell so good together with this ajiba oil. And guys, the how my our room was just smelling so good. Everywhere was just smelling so good, and oh my god, this scent is very long lasting. On up till the next day, the whole house was still smelling this jar water, like it was smelling like this jar water. So I added a bit of the ajiba oil in the golden sand jar water, and yeah, this is the recipe, the most simplest shawarma recipe, guys. And you guys should give this recipe a trial. Don't forget to tag me when you do so. And if you guys would love to join my shawarma classes, you can send me a DM to join the shawarma classes at a fee. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your family and friends. I am going to see you guys in my next one. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.